Baby, now is the time to get your spiritual grounding practice together. And it's not as much effort as you think. I'm going to tell you all about it. Spiritual grounding is really just a way for you to reconnect with your body and quiet your mind. When I'm working with my human design clients, one of the first questions that I ask anybody is, what is your spiritual grounding practice? If you're a sensitive person, empathic, intuitive, or you have a lot of open or undefined centers in your human design body graph, you need to release the energy that you're taking in. Or if you have a lot of defined energy in your human design body graph, you need to be managing your own really intense energies. And a spiritual grounding practice is going to help regulate your nervous system so that you don't always feel like you're in fight or flight mode. It's going to help you move out of reaction mode and into being present so that you can make decisions that really serve you. Let's be clear, there is not one right way to do spiritual grounding. So I'm going to give you a bunch of ideas and then you can mix and match or create your own version based off of what we talk about here. You can get started with yoga, walking outdoors, or hiking, or doing any kind of somatic technique that really gets you reconnected with your body. I know meditation is hard for a lot of people, but there are more than one way to do it. You can meditate and do a body scan, so you're releasing the various muscles in your body. You can meditate and then do a journal brain dump to get everything out of your head and quiet your mind that way. And also just meditation can simply be a deep breathing technique where all you're doing is focusing on your breath. Do not get it twisted. Oxygen in, carbon dioxide out helps to ground you. Do not underestimate the power of laying down on the ground, touching grass, putting your bare feet in grass, taking a bath with sea salt, like Epsom salts, that kind of thing. Or if you don't have a bathtub, get you some sea salt and some olive oil, make it into a scrub and intentionally cleanse your energy that way. And you can rub your hands together like this, get some good friction going, put a hand on your heart, hand on the top of your head, breathe in, breathe out, let it go. You cannot mess up this process, okay? This is yours. It belongs to you. There's nobody looking over your shoulder giving you a grade on this, okay? Just get started. 2 minutes a day, 5 minutes a day. Build up to it. And when you're on your spiritual journey, and the journey will continue, you will find that having a spiritual grounding practice is going to really support you. What questions do you have about spiritual grounding, or what is your favorite spiritual grounding practice? Let me know in the comments.